In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add music to a Canva video. So I've got the video project open here. I've got my video on Canva. What we're going to do is add some music. So I'm going to download some music from Pixabay, but you may already have a music track that you want to get onto your video. So you will need the file on your computer. As you can see, my MP3 file is in my downloads. What we can do is we can go ahead and upload it and get it onto the video. So go to Uploads, then go to Audio, then click Upload Files. And here you can go ahead and find the MP3 file. Then click Open and you'll see your file start to upload. Once it's finished, you can go ahead and drag it onto your clip here at the bottom. You can also move it so you can get the exact part of the song that you want. Then if you right click on your clip, you can go to the volume and turn the volume up or down depending on how loud you want it to be. Now if we play the clip, we will have the music added. One thing you may want to do before though is click on your video and just go ahead and mute the video track, or bring the audio all the way down on your video track. That way you'll be able to hear your music. That's all you need to do. Thank you for watching.